Hey, I learned about another Japanese food today. Can I ask you a few questions about it?
Sure. What food did you learn about this time?
It's called sukiyaki. I saw a picture, and it looked amazing with all those ingredients. Do you eat sukiyaki often in Japan?
Yes, sukiyaki is a popular dish, especially in the winter. It's a hot pot dish with thin slices of beef, vegetables, tofu, and sometimes noodles, all cooked together in a sweet and savory broth.
That sounds delicious. Is it similar to other hot pot dishes, like shabu shabu?
Not exactly. While both are hot pots, sukiyaki is different because of the broth. Sukiyaki uses a mixture of soy sauce, sugar, and mirin, which makes it sweet and savory. In shabu shabu, the broth is usually light and plain, and the ingredients are dipped in sauce after cooking.
Interesting. So how do you eat sukiyaki? Do you just eat it directly from the pot?
Well, sort of. But there's a unique step. We dip each piece of cooked food in raw egg before eating it. The egg gives it a rich, smooth taste and balances out the sweetness of the broth.
Wow, that's different. So, you're eating beef with raw egg?
Yes, but don't worry, it's safe to eat raw eggs in Japan. It really enhances the flavor and texture.
Got it. Are there any special ingredients that make sukiyaki unique?
Besides the beef, which is usually a highlight, vegetables like green onions, mushrooms, and leafy greens are common. Tofu and shirataki noodles also add variety to the dish.
Those sound like interesting ingredients. So, is sukiyaki usually eaten at home or in restaurants?
Both. Many people make sukiyaki at home, especially for gatherings or special occasions. But you can also enjoy it at restaurants that specialize in Japanese hot pot dishes. Some places even use high-quality, marbled beef for sukiyaki, which makes it extra luxurious.
That sounds fantastic. I've heard there are regional differences in Japan for a lot of dishes. Is sukiyaki the same everywhere?
Good question. Actually, there are two main styles: Osaka style and Tokyo style. In Osaka, people usually grill the beef first and then add the broth. In Tokyo, they start by boiling everything together in the broth.
I didn't know that. So depending on the area, the cooking style changes?
It's a subtle difference, but it changes the flavor a bit. Osaka style has a richer, more grilled taste, while Tokyo style lets the ingredients soak in the broth from the start.
That's really cool. Thanks for explaining. I'm definitely interested in trying sukiyaki now.
You're welcome. If you get the chance, try both styles to see which one you like more.